Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal, and today I'm going to be unboxing my first Sephora Play Box, which is for the month of April. I'm super excited. Yay! So, I signed up for this last month. I was actually supposed to get the March box, but I didn't end up getting the March box. For whatever reason, I don't know. I've already called Sephora, it's handled, but I didn't get the March box. So, I got the April box and I'm super excited to open this with you guys, and I probably won't be testing any of these products just because I have a full face of makeup on, but if you would like to see me test out any of these products or all of the products, let me know down in the comments below. I'm sure I'll be using these in future makeup tutorials to come, but if you want to see me do a whole video on these, let me know, okay? So without further ado, let's get started on the video. All right, so opening it up, this is what it looks like. It says, love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, sephora.com/play. This is the Play by Sephora box. And up top, we have the Beauty Insider 50 points. So when I go in there, I can give them this card and it'll add 50 points to my in-store purchase and onto my account, which is really cool because we all love our points now, don't we? So that's what I see at first, and then let me open this up. So on this side, there is descriptions of all of the products and how to use them, why it's picture perfect. I guess this is the selfie ready in a snap box, which is super cool. I love me some selfies and all good for filming and all that good stuff. So that's that, and then this side just has get selfie ready in a snap, and there's 4 bullet points here. Yeah, pretty cute. So each month they come in a little bag, and this month of April it says make it snappy. It's not like super cute. I saw the bag for March and that was like super cute, and I'm still so bummed I didn't get that month, but this is kind of bland, boring, whatever. It's not ugly, but it's cute. Let's open her up. Ooh. So the first product I'm gonna pull out is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask, and it says Seaweed Radiance Facial. Ooh, I love me a facial. So it says Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. Why did I say that so weird? So it says, Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask is a 5-minute facial designed to combat signs of tired and overstressed skin, revealing incredibly smooth and radiant results after just 1 use. And it says to use it like 3 times a week. Let me just read what the paper says that they give you. So it says, a 5-minute facial in a jar that targets dull, rough, and dry skin. Why it's picture perfect? This refreshing, creamy mask restores your skin's natural glow with its blend of seaweed, red algae, and lotus seed. It'll leave your skin moisturized and feeling baby soft. How to use. Apply a nickel-size amount to clean, dry skin in circular motions. Leave for 5 minutes and rinse with warm water. Use up to 3 times a week. Nice. I love facial masks, and the fact that it's only a 5-minute mask and it's exfoliating is tits. So let me show you the actual packaging. I just realized I didn't even take it out of the box. So that's what it looks like outside the box. And it's a pretty decent size. It looks like you get 0.5 fluid ounces. So this is like a travel size, which is not bad. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm super excited to use that. I'll have to do that in one of my videos, like before I apply my makeup, because it says it leaves a really smooth, baby soft finish, and you all know how much we love that. So, moving on to the next thing, we have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector, and this is a blurring skin tint with sunscreen, and it has SPF 25, and this is what it looks like. And it looks like it's also like a travel size, which is pretty decent. I've seen a lot of the stuff that come in like the Ipsy and like other things, they're just like sample size. So I did see a couple of samples in here though. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's actually gonna match my skin pretty well. It might be a little bit too dark, but I'm happy with it and I'm excited to try it. This will be really good for when you're like going to the beach or the pool this summer because it has sunscreen and it's tinted, so it's like a tinted moisturizer basically. So let me go ahead and read what the paper says. A weightless skin tint that blurs imperfection and protects skin. Why it's picture perfect? This innovative skin tint lies in the beautiful middle ground between BB cream and foundation. It blurs imperfection, moisturizes skin, contains SPF 25, and provides just enough tint for a sheer medium coverage. Beautiful. I'm so excited to use this. So it says how to use. For sheer coverage, use fingertips to blend a dime-sized amount into clean, dry skin. For more coverage, use a foundation brush to build up to desired coverage. So, yeah, cool. I'm excited for that. I'm excited to wear that to the pool. I love tinted moisturizers for that reason, just because I kind of want to hide like my redness and my trouble spots. So that is perfect. Oh, and I forgot to mention the shade. The shade of the one that I got is 06. Next, we have, ooh, this is a fancy sample. So this is by IT Cosmetics, and this is the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Silk Finishing Powder. Ooh, I love me a finishing powder. And this is perfect for your purse. Just throw it in there. This is how much you get. Ooh, and that's like, ooh, it's translucent. Perfect. Melissa said that's really fucking white. But it's translucent, that's why. Cool. So it says airbrushing in a powder blurs imperfections for flawless finish, anti-aging with silk, collagen, and antioxidants. Ooh, collagen, get it. And universal translucent shades for all skin tones. I love it. That's perfect. Great sample, and it's cool because it closes again, so it's not like a sample you have to tear open and then if you don't use it within like a day, it goes bad. So great sample here. So it's a translucent pressed powder that reduces the look of pores for a flawless airbrush finish. Why it's picture perfect? The silky powder is the ultimate last step for complexion perfection. Its antioxidant-rich formula was developed with plastic surgeons to blur pores. Interesting. To blur pores, fine lines, and blemishes while keeping oil at bay. Oh, and look, it even says tip. Throw it in your bag because it doubles as an oil blotter. Oh my god, I like totally need this. How did you know, Sephora? How did you know? I definitely need to blot my oil like 10 times a day at work. So, thank you. Yes. The next item in my Sephora play box is the Miu Miu perfume. And it looks like this. Cute packaging. And this is just a sample size, obviously, of the fragrance itself. It says, this month's bonus, Spritz Blitz, Miu Miu Leao Rosé. Maybe. This soft floral blend exudes fresh and sophisticated femininity with an edgy musk. I'm gonna smell this. It says, meet the blend, fragrance family, fresh, top notes, blackcurrant, middle notes, lily of the valley, base notes, musk. It's almost like a wine description. The aromas, the tannins. I like it. It's not something I would wear every day, but it's definitely a very nice perfume. I could wear this to my event that I have coming up, and I could feel and smell sophisticated. Miu Miu Leao Rosé. Tell me not. Should I be in commercials? I feel like I should. Okay, cool. Oh, I've been getting, like, every time I order a Sephora package, I get my boyfriend a cologne sample, and he's all about it. He's like, fuck it, babe. Like, yeah, order some shit. I need a new sample. Like, fuck yeah, it's my little excuse to buy some makeup. All right. Looks like we have 2 more things in the bag. Second to last is the, we have the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. open this bitch up. Oh, that is such a pretty color. So it looks like it comes with this shade right here called SPL. And this is it on this side too, I believe. That is so pretty. I have one by Huda Beauty that looks very similar to this. How do I get this bitch out? Come on. That is so pretty. This reminds me of like the lip glosses I would get as a kid. Especially like the Bed Bath & Beyond ones. Oh my god, get out of town. So cute. Love it. So it says here, an on-trend iridescent lip gloss that visibly plumps while it moisturizes. Ooh, what does it have in it that plumps? Let's see. This ultra sparkly, cushiony soft lip gloss is full of vitamin E and peppermint oil. Ooh, peppermint oil, yes. For lips that stay moisturized and look perfectly plump. Plus, the tingly formula smells like vanilla mint. Stop. Oi. Oh my god, it does. Wow. That smells really good. Cool. Love it. So, last but definitely not least, we have the Peter Thomas Roth, which I've been loving their Power C Serum, which is a moisturizer. Ooh, Peter Thomas Roth. I gotta just like read off of this. The Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For, No Filter, Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. Ooh, say that 10 times fast. So it says a lightweight primer that blurs imperfections and reduces the look of pores. Why it's picture perfect? This mattifying formula is the best preemptive step to looking flawless in surprise photos. It feels weightless yet keeps shine at bay. Plus, it fills in fine lines and visually reduces the size and shape of pores, both immediately and over time. How to use it? After moisturizer, use your fingertips to massage a pea-sized amount into skin. Wear alone or follow with concealer and foundation. But, yes, I love it. This is perfect. So I could first use my Peter Thomas Roth. Basically, I would use my Peter Thomas Roth Power Serum, and this has, or Potency Power Serum, and this has vitamin C and vitamin E, and then on top of it, this, it's like partners in crime right here. Cool. Well, that was it for my Sephora Play Box. This is my first one, and honestly, I'm impressed. I hope I get more makeup stuff coming up. That'd be tight. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any of these products, they'll all be linked down below. And also, if you're interested in signing up for Play by Sephora, I will also have that link down below. I think it's a great option because it gives you sample size and trial size products that you get to try out, and rather than, you know, buying the big size and realizing you don't like something. And they pick out things that you like fill out a profile and they send you things that fit your skin tone, the colors that you like, and all of that stuff. So yeah, definitely check it out. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to push like and hit subscribe. And if you would like to see me review any of these products, like specifically, let me know down in the comments below. And as always, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week and weekend, and I will see you in my next video.